Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're on CityWalk, guys, and we are going to do a food review here. Red Oven Pizza Bakery. Come on in, check it out. So guys, I'm Medling World. We haven't done a pizza review in a while. Originally I'm from Connecticut, along with Roberta, who is from Brazil, and our son Jake. We used to live where there was tons of very, very good pizza in the northeastern part of the United States. Now that we live in Florida, it's hard to find good pizza, especially in a theme park, right? But let's try this. This is called Red Oven Pizza Bakery. So they have, all the seating is out here, guys. So you're gonna come out here. There's actually a heater. Today's kind of cold here in Florida. They do have this big heater though. I can feel the heat flying down. So what it is you find a table you want to sit. You can scan it and order it, or you also have the option actually to walk inside and order pizza. And there is Roberta. Jake wants bacon. Yeah. And here's some of the different pizzas. I'm sure you could ask different toppings. I'm sure these are some of the, you know, recommended pizzas, but I don't even see like pepperoni on here. So
yeah, this right here.
Yeah, we can find out. But I do want to show you, I'll go down the line there. You guys can just kind of look. Roasted chicken pizza. Margarita. They got mushroom, Italian. They got some different wines and beers as well. Lots of different beverage. They even have a dessert, chocolate chip cookie. And they have some salads. Let's see. I think we're just going to share a pizza because we had breakfast not long ago. But we'll give you a good review. And you can come in and order it. Or you can do, like I said, on a mobile order at the table. Here's kind of what it looks like inside. I think we've had pizza here once a long time ago, so I can't even remember if it was any good or not, but we'll give you our honest opinion. Let's see what we get. Here's the goods. So guys, we did get them to go.
For Rebecca.
But I think we got Rebecca. Hi Rebecca, it's Roberta. Kind of funny. Oh my gosh. That might be a little bit overwhelming there with the arugula. This is a white pizza, so we got the
you guys can have that.
prosciutto, and you can hear Jake with the sound effects. But that's arugula and prosciutto.
Yeah.
White pizza.
This is Jake's.
Here's a cheese pizza.
Give me a plate, Jake, please.
It's definitely
they normally bring on a plate, but
yeah, they normally bring on a plate. Roberta asked it to go. Normally it would come out on a big pizza pan, which is fine. One thing I can tell you right away, right? They do not skimp on the ingredients on these pizzas. That's a nice cheesy pizza.
This is not as hot.
This one's not as hot. Let's try it together, guys. Oh yeah, it's a very fluffy. You can see the crust there, very fluffy. Very fluffy crust. Again, this is a white pizza. This is Roberta's choice. I'm not big on the white pizza, but the ingredients looks good.
It's all right.
I want it to be better, I think, in my mind. I wanted it to be better. It's a very doughy crust. So if you like a doughy crust, which I don't mind, but it's not my favorite of crusts.
It's a little bit thick, so it's hard to pull. So I wish the prosciutto was like in pieces.
Yeah.
Then it is like big chunk.
Jake, what are you thinking on a plane?
It's good.
Decent? Let's get in. We're gonna have a little bit more, and then, well, you know, I gotta try some of Jake's. So far, I'm not blown away by it for any reason. I'm not. But I also realize I'm at CityWalk.
Yeah.
I'm at a theme park, so let's keep it real. You know, it's not like I'm in a gourmet pizza restaurant here. So it is a white pizza, as you can see. There's the white sauce there. It's a bit thick, right, with the crust. The nice thing though, the crust is, it's a bit doughy, but it's got a nice chew to it. It's not crispy at all. It's not like a you know, a coal-fired pizza, or I should say a wood-fired pizza by any means. It's a soft crust, a chewy crust. Time to try the plain. Jake is not enjoying the end pieces of the crust. It's a stone-lined oven is what they're using here to bake the pizza. But you can see that the pizza's not that, it's not like really soggy. The way the crust is, it absorbs a lot of the moisture, I guess you could say, from the pizza. And plus, a plain pizza is usually a good example. Once you start putting a lot of ingredients on pizza, you need a really good crust to hold it up. But with plain, you can get away with just about any kind of a crust.
I prefer the white pizza Jake's.
Yeah, I think I do prefer the white pizza, and I didn't really love it either. But I want to get some final scores. I want to really kind of think about this a little bit in comparison to some other pizzas I've done. You may be surprised. I'm going to say something in this vlog that I'm going to be hammered in the comments about. But I want you to understand when I say this, you're going to have to try it, both of these. And you're gonna have to then come back to those comments if you're gonna hammer me and then tell me if I'm wrong. I'm still thinking if I should even say it because it's almost crazy to say.
What?
But I'm gonna say it in a minute, but I wanna eat a little bit more before I make my final decision. So guys, Roberta, you're very quiet eating the pizza. You didn't say a lot.
No, I was just hungry, but it was very doughy.
Very doughy pizza. Jake?
It was alright. It was nothing over the top. It was just alright.
Jake, do you have a score on the pizza? Let's come over here to the side.
7.5.
7.5. Roberta?
I would say that his pizza is like a 6.5 for me. But I would say it was around 7.
Yeah, wasn't anything to blow us away. If you were leaving the park, like if you were at park closing maybe, and you just wanted to get a snack.
Yeah.
But I would not go out of my way and think that's a great pizza. It's not. I'm going to give the pizza a combination score between both of them, a 6.5. I don't even think it was as good as average. And in fact, what I wanted to say,
Listen to his take.
a lot of people may criticize me for, but Jake and I recently did a pizza review.
Yeah.
We did a pizza review at McDonald's. The world's largest McDonald's in Orlando has pizza, and the pizza at McDonald's is much, and not even like close, way better than the pizza we just had.
Jake, you agree with that?
The red oven pizza. Jake, am I right or wrong with these comments?
I agree.
I agree. So a thumbs down to red oven pizza. Not great, and I don't think I'll be back, to be brutally honest with you. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!